All right, welcome to a little bit of a different video today. I got an iPhone, and so now I have access to Adobe Premiere Rush on my phone. So I wanted to do a quick video just kind of experimenting editing using the Rush program. But for the video, I want to go over a pretty cool feature that I haven't seen anyone talk about on the EOS R battery grip, the BG-E22. So you have to plug this into the bottom of the camera right here, and then this little cover goes on this plug, which plugs into a small electronic interface right here. So you have to take this rubber stopper off, and you also have to take off the battery cover. So you have these two little things right here just floating around. You're like, oh, what do I do with them? What if I lose them? These two things go back on your camera if you take this off, so you just stick them in your pocket. Haha, no. Check this out. Where a battery would normally be, right here, boom, this little cover. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Boom, right there. The battery door cover, boom, right there. Isn't that cool? And it all fits in. Tighten that down. Check that out. Then if you take it off, you've got those little covers already on there. If anyone said something about this before, I haven't seen it. So now, whenever you take the battery grip off for whatever reason, you just want a little lighter, twisting my arm here, a lighter package, you can just pop those right back off of that empty compartment where the battery would normally go, because it keeps it handy for you right there. How awesome is that? That is cool. That is super cool. I love convenient little doodads like that. I love it. It's awesome. But yeah, that's it. Be sure to be kind to someone today, and I'll see you next time. Peace.